So plastics pollution in the oceans is unfortunately a terrible reality. We are surrounded by plastics, and most of these plastic waste items are highly buoyant, which allows them to move for thousands of miles, causing a heavy toll on wildlife. So the ocean cleanup is really the first ever project of this scale to rid the oceans of plastic. And so cleaning these garbage patches with conventional methods like vessels or nets would take centuries, and it would cost billions of dollars. So the ocean cleanup developed a 600-meter long floating tube with a 3-meter skirt underneath, catching up on all the plastics and collecting it. And this without endangering wildlife out there. And so of course, for such an autonomous system, reliable broadband connectivity is an absolute must.
So the way Iridium became involved in this, I've got to give a lot of credit to Boyan Slat, who is the genesis behind this effort. Boyan came to our offices here and he had a technical solution that was very impressive.
And when we studied the project with the ocean cleanup team, it was a no-brainer for us that we wanted to play part in it.
So Iridium's involvement is pretty significant in this project. The system is outfitted with Iridium's Pilot, providing its open port service. This system requires constant communications. It's floating in the ocean, so it needs anti-collision systems to avoid other ships that are passing by. The operators are comfortable and confident that the Iridium system is going to allow them to be in constant communication with their system.
The ocean cleanup system is a passive system that moves by the forces of nature, the wind, the currents. And so reliable coverage is really key. And Iridium can support the ocean cleanup systems wherever they go. Secondly, if you look at the oceans, it's a harsh environment. There's strong winds, there's several meter waves, there's a heavy rain condition, so especially in these weather conditions, real-time communication with the system is key. We rely on trusted and capable partners like AST, who play a key role here in this project. And thanks to their value-added services like the Integra platform, the ocean cleanup can monitor in real time what data flows are going back and forward to this autonomous system.
Iridium is very involved in environmental and sustainability efforts around the globe. We're heavily involved in the polar regions. Our IoT systems are deployed on the ice sheets. They can measure the effects of climate change on the ice sheets themselves, the weather above the ice, and then they also measure and analyze and evaluate what's going on underneath the ice sheets. Our IoT systems are heavily deployed around the globe. That's also used to analyze salinity levels to detect what some of the pollution levels might be in the different areas around the world.
So the new Certus technology is exciting in many ways. It will establish a new gold standard in L-band communications in terms of reliability, performance and affordability. And so the ocean cleanup is going to take advantage of the new Certus services as they are scaling up the project to 60 systems by 2021.
We think we can make a difference with this project. And we think with our unique capabilities, we provide the fundamental communications that this system needs in order to be successful.